Good evening, class. I'm going to walk you through how to get into Google Docs and what you'll need to be doing. So let's say you're at the SAISD page. The first thing you're going to do is, number one, you're going to make sure that you are logged in with your SAISD email. So that's your student email at live.saisd.net. And then you'll go to the top to where your browser is. You can delete that and you'll put www.google.com. You can see it there. You'll press on that. Then you will notice on the top right hand corner you'll see your picture or the initials of your name. And when you put your cursor over it, you should be able to see your SAISD email come up. Okay, so then you're going to want to go to your 3x3 or the waffle as I like to call it. So you'll click on that and then your Google Suite will open up. So then you will go into Google Docs, click on that. And your docs will load into Google Docs. So what you should see is you should see anything that you've been working on, it'll pop up. Or if you want to start a new document, you will go to the blank and the plus, click on that, and your document should open. So let's say that this document here, and it's loading. Let's say this was your IB Learner profile essay. And let's say that you have already gone to, well, actually, let me walk you through what you'd do. You would first type in IB Learner profile essay into your title. And then you would go to format, or excuse me, you would go to the font and go to Times New Roman. And then you would make sure it was at size 12. The first thing you would then do is type in your name. Literally your name though. My name. The class you have me for. And the date. You start with the number first. And then the year. Then what you will do is you will go through this and you will highlight this. Go to format. Go to line spacing. And go to double. And it'll excuse me, automatically double space your MLA style. Then I'm going to press enter. I'm going to press enter again. No, I'll do it once. I'm going to go up here to the middle right hand area. I'm going to go to center align. And you'll see the cursors in the middle. So there's where I will put my title. And I want it to look professional. I'm going to go ahead and underline it. And I'm going to press the space bar. I'm going to go back up here to underline. Click off that. Enter. And then I'm going to go back up to the align. I'm going to go to left align. And then I'm going to tab to start my essay. So let's say I would type And if you were to make a mistake like that, you would just go and make any corrections. So let's say that's my essay and I'm working and whatnot, so that's what you would continue to see. But you will also, part of MLA style is to add in your header. So what you do is you go to insert, the top. You're going to go to header and page number. Well, we're going to do header. You're going to press tab and you're going to want it to get close to the far right, and you only type in your last name. Only your last name. And I'm going to push this a little bit more. And then I'm going to push this just a tad bit. See my arrows here, so that I cannot go past this arrow. That's where my page ends. I'm also going to, and then when I double click out, it'll look like that, but I need my page number. So now I'm going to go to insert again. I'm going to go to header and page number. I'm going to go to just page number, and it has to be at the top right hand corner. So there it is, space, and then I'm going to double click out to continue my work. So let's say this was my essay, and it continues to go down. Let's say I'm typing and whatnot. But then I'm done and I need to insert my image, because you have to have at least 3 images. You're going to go to insert. You're going to go to image. I'm going to search the web. I'm going to look for a thinker. See what comes up. Well, this one's okay, but I want more of a clip art of thinker. So I'm going to do clip art of a thinker. I'm going to enter, see what comes up. That one looks pretty cool. I think I'm going, I don't know. These questions with this little guy here looks good. So I'm going to add that one. I'm going to select it and insert it. And then I can fit it to my screen. That's too big. So I'm going to fit it to the way I want it, and so on. And then let's say I start my next paragraph. I will tab and keep going. My next paragraph, and then I'm going to keep going. And what I wanted y'all to notice, to see here, let's say I've typed my essay, and this is all my essay, but you're going to see something pretty cool on page 2. See page 2? Your last name should come up and it should say page 2. So that's why you have to insert your header, which is your last name only, and then you have to insert your page number. So I hope this video was useful to help you with Google Docs. The last thing I'll show you is that when you share, when you're done with your essay, you go to the top right hand corner, you share it, press share, and then you enter the name. So you would then enter my email, crogers2, press on it, send me a little note. Here's my essay. Oops. Sometimes it's hard for me to see appropriately with my eyes, sorry. And then you just click on send and it'll send. So I hope that this video was useful for you, and you also have the written instructions, and now you have your video. Okay? Hope you have a great day, great night. Thank you, and goodbye.